Hello brilliant people, welcome to this video. It's awesome to see you here today again. It's Tulani back with another video, and today I'm going to show you guys two awesome brilliant survey sites that you guys can use to make $2 to $3 every single survey you do, guys. So be sure to stay tuned to that video for that information, guys. But before we get into the content of this video, guys, if you're new to the channel, my name is Tulani, and on this channel I talk all things entrepreneurship, digital marketing. I share ways to make money online, and I'm starting to do this on a daily basis, guys. So if you enjoy this content, be sure to subscribe to this channel, guys, so you can never miss out on this content, and so that you're notified on every single time I drop a new video, guys. So before we actually get into the video again, I'd like to add one more thing, guys, and that is, if you guys want to make a passive income online, be sure to check out my #1 recommended way to make money online, which will be in the description below, guys, which will show you guys how you can build a passive income from your home just using your laptop and an internet connection, guys. So without further ado, let's get started in this video and let me show you guys the best sites for surveys. So guys, we're now inside my computer, and the first website I'd like to tell you guys about is called Pinecone Research, guys. So Pinecone Research is a survey site that's very simple to use, guys, and very simple in its workings, guys. So all you need to do is complete surveys and you'll be awarded with points, and once you get those points, you can exchange those points for merchandise or for PayPal money, guys, and we'll do it for cash, guys. So if we actually look at, I found this cool website called Survey Police that will tell you guys exactly everything you need to know about Pinecone Research, guys. This website is completely dedicated to reviewing these survey sites and seeing how legit they are and whether or not you should opt in and actually use them, guys. So I'll leave a link to that article in the link below. But guys, if we actually go into it, guys, it says Pinecone Research is a trusted leader in the survey industry panel, and it's owned and operated by a market research company called Nielsen, whose operations are in New York, and is focused on improving the quality of tomorrow's products through their market research, guys. So as it seems straightforward so far, and when it comes to survey types, you'll receive a lot of different surveys. You can receive short questionnaires or longer surveys that require more time, guys. So how to join Pinecone Research? Pinecone Research is actually an invite-only survey platform, so you guys can only join if you're specifically invited by another member. So you can't just join openly, guys, and you can only join if you're in America, Canada, and in the UK, guys. So this is very limited. So if you guys are in other countries in the world, guys, this is not the way for you guys to make money using surveys, guys. So how can you withdraw money? Once you would just convert your points for cash, you can actually cash out your money through PayPal, through checks, through Amazon e-cards, and through prepaid virtual visas, guys. So if you guys are using any of these methods, guys, there's lots of flexibility regarding how you can actually make your money and get paid, guys. And the payment process usually takes 1 to 3 business days for the money to come into your PayPal account and for them to actually issue your payments, guys. So very simple. You can get online surveys, product testing, and all on a mobile app, and very simple to use. 3-star rating here. So as it seems, this is a very good website for you guys to use to make money through surveys, guys. So website number 2, and that is Survey Junkie. I'm sure you've probably heard of Survey Junkie. It's all over the internet, guys, and what Survey Junkie does is it pays you to share your opinions on brands and help them develop better products and services, guys. So basically, picture yourself as being the middleman with these companies, right? You come in, you do your survey, you tell them what's right, what's wrong about their products, and you get paid every time you do so, guys. So the process is very simple, guys. All you need to do is participate in surveys and begin to earn money, guys. So as I said, fairly easy way to make money online, guys. And the best thing about this website is you can withdraw your earnings through different methods, guys. So example, if you like shopping on Amazon, you can withdraw it using an Amazon gift card. If you're in the US and you do a lot of shopping, you can withdraw it using a Target gift card, guys. But the method I'm sure all of you want to withdraw your money using is through PayPal, guys, which will actually let you receive cash straight up, guys. So that is how you can make money through that. And again, it's about $3 to $5 per survey. So completely easy way to make money online, guys. But on the other hand, guys, if you don't want to trade time for money and waste your time doing all these surveys for small amounts of cash, guys, be sure to check out my #1 recommended way to make money online, which will allow you and teach you guys a method which you guys can use to build a passive income online, guys. And that's larger sums of money than this, guys. And you know, it's just very powerful trading that can help you guys so much when it comes to making money online, guys. So be sure to check that out, guys. But if you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like, guys. Be sure to subscribe to this channel, and be sure to turn on the bell notifications so you can stay tuned with my other content that will be released, guys. So without further ado, peace out, and I hope you guys enjoy your days. And as I always say, guys, keep crushing it.